characters in video games.
Say bye-bye.
You should stop that immediately.
Tard.
I really love.
All good?
Ew, I'm so scared.
I've got something here for you.
We'll see
He's
about
got the
that.
hot.
What's new, sir?
You use the
Disappear,
English
shitbag.
language the way a blind
Sir,
man
hello.
uses a book. You're
Sit and
preposterous.
spit.
You're not mad at me, right?
The pupils are all full.
Dr. Travelston says you're in trouble.
I can't believe she asked me that. Of course I'm the center of my universe.
Stranger?
All right.
Oh, hi!
You're such a loser.
Gotta go.
How can
Oh no, not again.
Hey, Jimmy. Let me show you around this prison.
That's not the latest.
Come on, pretty boy.
What the hell are you talking about?
I'll get to it once I finish reading Mark.
Lame boy.
Don't you fool anyone myself. Take my rise to power all easier.
Your move, Dillweed. Back up to right.
This might have sucked it, but just come on.
Oh my God. Never mind.
You can lick my pencil. I know you're new.
Come on, Pansy. Oh, you like that? That's Russell's locker. You know, the big ape who almost put you in the hospital.
You like to eat fish?
Don't bother with me.
Time to pay your Russell tax.
What'd I do? Sorry.
Puke brain. You don't know what pain is. Next time you give, more doofus.
Come on, let's break into it and steal something. That'll teach him. Don't let the prefects see you break any rules. They'll hurt you.
Oh, please leave me alone. Mercy, there's such a fruit thing.
Well done.
Oh, now you in real trouble.
Mr. Galloway,
Feeling good in your safety, alligator.
Hell, you're a nice
Anyone
person,
knows
right?
that. I mean, I'd be dead if anyone found that out.
I'm over this.
People who are lost?
Hey, don't worry about it. Howdy! Here you go. Hey, Hopkins, you psychotic gimp. This way. Watch it.
Ever take prevent
Oh my god!
Oh, man! There's that weird chick, Eunice. Let's have some fun with her. Go! See what she wants.
Oh no!
How are you?
He took my chocolate! Please get it back!
Why would Mr. Head?
Don't push me.
Hey, Picasso! Get over here!
You should be ashamed of yourself. Have you ever studied Carter G. Woodson?
Nobody likes me.
Look at the cool guy.
There he is. Show him what you're made of.
I can see how you like it.
Hi there.
Sure, I'll give you the chocolate. Oh, so you want to scrap? You fight like my friend. Whoa, take the stupid chocolate. Why did you do?
Nice to you.
Skinny, do yours!
Be merciful, leave me alone.
I hate you.
I wish I could go to I always tried to be nice to you.
I got something for you.
Why are you picking on me? How goes it?
Don't do that.
Please leave me alone.
Evil doer.
Cut sleep to 4.5.
Thanks! Wanna make out?
who's who.
No need for complex reasons where a simple painting will do.
I wonder what it's like.
Feeding time at the zoo. Okay, here's the deal. Over there, we got the nerds. Of course, they're complete social outcasts.
They look pretty harmless.
They're actually sneaky bastards. Their turf is the library. And those are the preps. They're all money and condescending attitudes.
Yeah, massively inbred and completely brainless.
Very observant, Jimmy boy. Now over there are the greasers. They think they're tough.
Or at least try to look tough.
Wouldn't advise messing with them, at least not yet. They hang by the auto shop. And last but not least, the jocks. These guys rule the school. Definitely avoid them.
Whatever, I'm not afraid of some dumb roid monkeys.
You'll learn. Come on, let's go.
You're here to learn, not to goof off. Get to class.
What are you doing in here? Oh, right. Class. Take care to follow my instructions precisely, as we will be working with volatile chemicals today. Fascinating, isn't it? Keep up the good work. You're almost done. Good job. Keep paying attention. You may have a future ahead of you, young man.